subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo Y21T is now official in India and it is slightly different from the Indonesian variant. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y21T features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be expanded up to 1GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y21T supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 with FunTouch OS 12 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and for gaming, the company has added Multi-Turbo 5.0 plus Ultra Game Mode feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.26 by 76.08 by 8mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y21T has been priced in India at 16,490 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in midnight blue and pearl white color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y21T smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.